Namaste. Welcome to the next episode of Clinical Ayurveda. Myself, Dr. Mayuresh Akte. We have discussed Anuloman, Stravsan, Bhedan, Virechan in last episode. Today we will discuss Varanya Karma. Now remember, whenever there is ya pratyay in the Sanskrit language, it means hitakar or good for. Varnya means which is good for the complexion of the skin. Rudya means which is good or hitakar to the heart. Medhya means which is good for the meda. So Varnya means which is good for the complexion of the skin. Naturally, this karma is needed when there is some impairment in the complexion of the skin of the patient. We will discuss this impairment of the complexion of the skin in three different parts. First, the skin diseases itself. Second, there is impairment in the complexion, but most of them are just symptoms. And third, impairment of the skin because of other reasons where actually there is no involvement of the skin as such. So the first major part is the skin diseases, and most important skin diseases is of course Kushtha. What is the definition of the Kushtha? Kushnati tadvapuhu iti Kushtham. Now always remember the definition described in the text also gives many indications about the Samprapti or Hetu, or you can say about Nidam Pancha. You have to evaluate that definition in a correct manner. Now, what is the meaning of the Kushtha? Kushnati iti. Kushnati means to get rotten. In Hindi it is called as sadna. So, the disease where there is kotha or dhatu get rotten. Of course, this is a very extreme stage of the Kushtha. The starting of the Kushtha starts with the symptoms of the skin itself. And then if it is ignored, then the Kushtha goes to deep dhatus like asthi majja, and where this kotha or Kushnati phenomenon takes place. Now, the second thing, just I said, the definition is very important to understand that disease. Samely, the other rule which is very useful in learning Ayurveda and in our clinical practice is Pindite Brahmandi. Now, in the definition, they are mentioning Kushnati, that it gets rotten. Okay. In our external environment, when a substance gets rotten, what are the conditions required to get this phenomenon happen? When a substance is dry in nature, will it get rotten? No. It requires moisture or wetness to get that thing rotten in our external environment. So, by the rule, Pindite Brahmandi, if the dhatu get rotten in the Kushtha, of course it is a very late stage, what will be required? It will require excess of moisture or wetness in the body. And this water content, is it in pure form? No. It is in impure form, that's why it is creating the disease. So what is it is called as? It is called as Drava Mala, and in another term, it is the increased Kledha. So from the definition Kushnati, we can understand there is increase of Kledha should be present if the things are getting rotten in that disease. Now Kledha is formed in many diseases. So what is the peculiarity of the Kushtha? In the Dusha, they have told Tvacha, Lasika, Asru and Rakta. These are char Dusha, and three doshas also contribute in the कुष्ठ संप्राप्ति. So it means clade increase in this particular disease is from त्वचा, लसिका, मांसधातु and रक्तधातु. Now in the complexion of the skin, Raktadhatu is the major part which is responsible for the complexion. So, what you can say, in the Kushtha, the skin diseases are there, manifestation on the skin is involved as a Dushya, and clade in mainly Raktadhatu, and along with them Raktadhatu, Tvacha, Lasika and Mamsa is increased. So, what will be the line of treatment to reduce this excess clade? Okay. Now, Raktadhatu is responsible for the Varne action, and clade is increasing in Raktadhatu along with Tvacha, Lasika and Mamsa. So, you have to choose the dravyas which have cladalna action as well as they have gamitva towards Raktadhatu and all other three factors. So, if you go through the Varnya Gana or the dravyas which are useful for this complexion on the skin, you will find these two properties together. Manjishta, Haridra, Nimba, Khadir, Karanj, Chandan, all these dravya have Tikta Ruksha Guna which will reduce the clade. Some have also Ushna Guna which is also helpful for reducing clade, and they have affinity towards the skin as well as Raktadhatu, and clade of Lasika and Mamsadhatu which is in excess is also reduced by this Prasavirya path. So, when you are seeing Varna Karma, in particularly in relation with the Kushtha as a disease, you have to consider Kledalna Dravya having Gamitva on skin, Raktadhatu and Mamsalasika. So, there are many types of Kushtha mentioned in the text, 18 types, Shudra Kushtha, Mahakushtha, but the basic phenomenon of the Samprapti is common, that this Kledalna Chikitsa acting on Tvacha, Rakta, Mamsa and Lasika is the baseline of the Kushtha disease. According to the types of the disease, you can add other medicines, no doubt about it, but just concept of the treatment of the Kushtha I have mentioned in front of you. The other disease where skin is involved is Shvitra, and we will discuss it in the next episode. Many times during the lectures, the Varnya Karma, when we teach the Varnya Karma, there are three factors come. One is Bhajat Pitta, because it is Adhishthan is Tvacha. Then Udan Vayu, Balavarna Smriti Kriya is a function of Udan Vayu, and Raktadhatu as Varna is responsible for that. But in my frank opinion, there is no specific mentioning of Bhajat Pitta as such, specific mentioning in any of the skin diseases. They have mentioned Vata, Pitta, Kapha, etc. in general, but Bhajat Pitta has not been mentioned specifically. Udan Vayu, as I said in Medya Karma, it only expresses the Varna which has been formed in the body. It will not, Udan Vayu will not interfere in the complexion. So, in my opinion, the main factor to be considered in the Varna Karma is Raktadhatu. Hence, in practice also, we give the medicines like which are blood purifier. Raktamokshan is again a very good line of treatment as far as Panchakam is concerned, and whole theory of Kushtha treatment revolves around Raktadhatu, including Hetu. The Hetu which will increase the clear in the dhatu are mainly seen in the patients. So this is a baseline of the Varne Vichar as far as Kushta disease, which is the main disease of the skin, is considered. In next episode, we will discuss the Shvitra and other two conditions where Varne Karma is required, as I told you in the start of the episode. Thank you very much. Please subscribe the channel. Please give your comment, suggestions in the comments box so I can improve my lectures. Thank you very much.